ፒኤም አፍደገ ዘመናዊ ትግራይ
በቃ stay safe በጣም ክብረት ያበልና ቀጽሉ ሕሉፍ ኮሆስት ኮይኑ ለሆነ ሕሉፍ ሓውና ከዓ ኣብቲ ናይ ጥዕና health care system ኣብ ትግራይ ዝበፅሐ ዳሜጅ እዩ ክገልጸና ሕሉፍ ንዓኻ ማይክቲዩ ሕሉፍ ሓውና
موش قني لي أو جزء المقطع الأكل أو حلو في بحال كاب كوميشن أوف إنكوايري أو ما يتعنا دعوة تمارا مركوني أرسرح سو باستقالة متن تعنا سيكتور بس إحنا وقت كسران نقراكم كريم عادتي صوت تايتل دامج أندوس أسسمنت ريبورت إن ذا سيكتور أوف تكريب اللي لنا متنايا لنا ስለዚህ ዚ presentation outline ያው background information አለው objective of the study research design and methodology በአጠቃላይ war effect impact المسألة سرعة after أنا سكتر وضع impact المسألة recommendation and conclusion الله صوتي pre-war context تقرأ تاعت مسألة نيرا قد نزوج قسي تاعت مسألة نيرا زول المرأة الأكل كبابي شو عتيم تعسراي health post كا functional health post نيرا أنا قلتيم تعسراي روعتي الأكل functional health center نيرا تعسراي روعتي الأكل ما وقتها هوستالات وي برايمر هوستال نونو نيرو عسرت روعتها خاع حفشة هوستال وجنال هوستال سلبها functional نيرا أنا قلت هذا أكل ريفرال هوستال نيرا كاو توسخون ያው ናይ ሄልዝ ኢንሹራንስ ሰርቪስ ክልተ ብራንች ነርና ኣብ ትግራይ እና on top of that ናይ መድሓኒት መከፋፈልቲ ወይ ኢፍሳ ንብሎም ፋርማሲቲካል ሰፕላይ ሰርቪስ ንብሎምን ኣብ መቐለን ኣብ ሽረን ያው ብራንች ነሮምና እዮም ብላይሰንስድ ለኾና ልዕሊ 8 ፕራይቬት ሄልዝ ኢንስቲትዩሽንስ ነረን ፋንክሽናል ልዕሊ 50 ለኣኽላ ፋንክሽናል ኣምቡላንስ ነረና ብተወሳኺ ኣብቲ ስርዓት ጥዕና ዝሰርሕ ልዕሊ 20,000 ሄልዝ ወርከርስ ነርና ማለት እዩ سواء طبعا زي برايمرز نحرقنايو عرفتي زبطوا زي برايمرز رأينا تاعت نهاية سيكتور انفستمنت برايمر هيلث كير العالم من وارن نمبر اوف انستيتيوشنز سفح الولد بقول لك اعطينا هيلث كير اكسسبيليتي برايمر هيلث كير صبوا خمس نمرنا انا اكسسبل لخونا سرعات عنا نهزونا نقروا خمس نمر زرعنا له زي جراف زي في برايمرز مالتي زي لا سو بانديكيتور درجه كدريت لنا نعمنت تمالس تحكمنا اوت اوف بيشنت اتندانس بيرير خلينا نرمحنا እንግዲህ WHO recommend ረገውሮ ካብ 2 ካብ 5 ከባቢ ክኾነ ኣለዎ ዝብል ንሕና ፕሮግረስ ናይ ትግራይ ፕሮግረስ ክሬቶሎ ካብ 8 በፅሕና ምንዋርና ይጽቡቕ ምንዋር ለረና ኢንፔሽንት አቴንዳንስ ፐሪየሩን ካብ 13000 ተሓኪምቲ ነሮና ዓመታዊ ማተርናል ሰርቪስ እንድሕሪና ካብ 137,000 ካብ ነሮና አቦርሽን ከርውን ተማሳሊ ልዕሊ 13000 14000 ኣብ ዓመት ሰርቪስ ነርና emergency service كنيرتلا لعش دشين شحت حكمتي ياو أو عمت يحكم نيرو ما بدنجتين يحكمنا مالتي خالد ناي ماجر سيرجيكال سيرفيس نولم كاوي 5 بعمت زون performance يسرح نيرو أما نيرو أو أروي مينر سيرجر سيرفيسات لبهال كامي ساشح سيرفيس نيرنا مالتي خالد ناي عديتاتن هساناتن موت كنريتلنا ناي ماترنال مورتاليتي ريشيو نحرقنا 186 كان 100 حكاوي كابي نيرو مالتي نيوناتال مورتاليتي وندحرينا 9 كاب 11 لايف برز اكابينا نيرنا مالتي بتوصافي ابن حصانات موت ندحرينا ياو كاب 19 بير 1000 لايف برز اكاب نيرنا بتاع صبق ياو ديكلاين قبر نيرو مالتي فيلمنايزيشن كفرجنا ندحرينا ياو almost 100% نيرو انتناتال كير almost 49% نيرنا او ايرلي بوست ناتال كير كفرج 9% اكاب احنا نيرنا تي بي ديتكت نامغوار عقمنا ياو كاميت شح درجة almost ضمن مركزات ديتكت نامغوار عقمنا ونص بقى نورمال كالي لعلى شش بيشنت ديتكت ناغورنا نيرنا مالاريا كيس بريفالنس اوف مالاريا نحرينا يون كافت حزل له بزحش ملكو قنسنا يخم نورنا زرينا مالتي اندر ويت ماسالي 4% كاب نيرو اتش اي بوزيتيف تريت نحرينا يو almost less than 1% نيرو 0.4 مالس less than 1% كاب احنا نيرنا بسمو يزغبر ناي سوما باسيستد سكيل اسيستد ديليفري نولو زن اديتات بسمو يكولدا مغبار almost 8.4% አካባቢ احنا نيرنا ناي سنس مكلاخل مدحانታት متقام فاملي بلانينج almost 3.2% كبر نيرنا ማለት ሶኒ ምንታይ ጽና ዓዚ አይ ቲንክ ዳኒ ይስማዕ ደለኹ ሶሪ
هو بتعب اسمع الله
اوكي ሶኒ ምንታይ እዚ ጽና ዓዚ አድልዩ እንድሕሪና ሓደ ኣብ ልዕሊ ጥዕና ሴክተር ዝበፅሐ ዕኖትን ክሳራን ምንም ዓይነት ኤቪደንስ ስለዘይነበረ ድሕርቲ ኩነታት ወይ ድሕርቲ ጦርነት ዝበፅሐ ዕኖትን ክሳራን ሬጅስተር ምግባር እቲ ሓደ ሜን ራሽናሊቲ ማለት እና ብዙሓት ስትሪታት ኣለዎ ጥዕና عنا بفلاي أب سيرفيس بزح صناعة تصنع in terms of monetary value ግን استسرح ስለነያረ حابز الدوكمنت نغاري خلاي خم بيرو recovery and rehabilitation ወይ revitalize لمغبار relief activity interventions الموساد نبيرو مراحتي نشين فكرس منهم عاد evidence አይነበረ نزون ከገልግል ኢና ሓጽናያ ማለት እዩ ዳዘርት ሜን ራሽናል ትለጽናናዮ እዚ መንግስቲ ትግራይ ኣብ ናይ ፖለቲካል ሌጋል and ልኾነ ይኹን ኢሹ ክደራደር እኳ ተኾይንስ ሬፈረንስ ዶክመንት የድልዮ ስለነበረ እዚ እውን ሓደ ከም ሬፈረንስ ዶክመንት ክኾን ስለልኸን እዚ ነዚ እናጽናናየ ማለት እዩ ካልእ ሳይንቲፊክ ኮሚኒቲ ያው ቢልድ ባክ ቤተር ስራዕተና ትግራይ ከመይ ክመሓሽ ይኽእል ዝብል ከም ሓደ ሬፈረንስ ዶክመንት የድሊ ብዝብል ንሱ ነጽናናየና ተማሳሪ ያው ትናይ ተምሃሮ ሪሰርቸርስ እውን እዚ ኤቪደንስ የድልዮም ካብ ዝብል ብዚ ፐርስፔክቲቭ እዚ ክጽናዕ ገርና ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ሜን ዓላማው እንግዲህ ጀነራል ኦብጀክቲቭ ቱ አሰስ ዶክመንት ኦቨር to assess and document the overall effect of ናይቲ ኩናት ወይ ናይቲ ጦርነት ጠቅላላ ተጽዕኖ ፕላስ ዕንወትን ክሳራን ታይመስል ዝብል እሱ ልመጽናዕና እቲ ሜን ዓላማ ማለት እዩ so specifically ናይቲ nature of damage loss is መስል ዝብል to produce credible evidence to support for justice and accountability recovery and rehabilitation effort when ይሕግዝ ካብ ዝብል እዩ ካልእ ያው ሬፈረንስ ዶክመንት ስኮላርስ መንግስት እውን አድላይ ከድሊ ብብል ያው በዛ ዓላማ ስለዓና ያጽናናዮ ማለት እዩ ስለዚህ ስኮፕ ኦፍ ስታዲ ምስ ናይ ትምህርቲ ተማሳላይ ግዜ ለይ ምብላዕ ክሓልፎ እዚ ማለት ምዕራብ ትግራይ some part of northern eastern and southern ትግራይ ኣያጠቃልል so ምስቲ almost period ምስ ናይ ኤዱኬሽን ተማሳል ዝኾነ ተዝሓልፎ ይሓሽ ሪሰርች ናይ ሪሰርች ዲዛይን ሞር ናይ ጽንዓዚ ፍሬምወርክ ጋይድስ ተገበረሉ ብናይ ዩኤን ኤክላክ ፍሬምወርክ ኢና guided ገርናዮ so under ኣብ ናይ ኤክላክ ፍሬምወርክ ዳና ልባሃለሎ ዳላሎ recovery need and rehabilitation አሎ ስለዚ ካፍተን ሰለስተ ታናይ ዳላ approach ወይ ናይ damage and loss assessment approach this basically ያው quantitative approach ያጣምና ስራሕና ይልማል አከል ማለት እዩ በተወሳኺ ናይ household ኣብ household ኤሌመንትስ ናይ ትኹና ተጽዕኖ ልማል ያው ሰርቬይውን አካይድና ልማል አክሊ in addition ነዚ ዴታ እዚ for reliability and validity purpose integration of primary data and secondary data one አካይድና ኢና ልማል አክሊ ማለት ስለዚህ ዴታ ሶርስና ፕራይመሪሊ ያው ከሆስል ለአከብናየ ፕራይመሪ ዴታ አለና ካብ ኢንስቲትዩሽንስ ቀጣ ካብ ጥዕናት ካላት ውስጥ አከበ ያ ፕራይመሪ ዴታ ሆናለና ማለት እዩ ካልእ ዴታ ሶርስና secondary published and unpublished government administrative records prior studies and database were also reviewed supplement and cross check the primary findings በኻልእ ደረጃ ዝተጠቀምናሉ relevant policy documents and international references ንኣብነት medical loss ናይ medical data loss በከመይ ያቀን ዝብል productivity ናይ ሰማያት ዕና በከመይ ያቀን ዝብል international reference ውን ረአናሉ መንገድሎ ማለት እዩ ስለዚህ mainly data collection tools ተጣዓንተም ነይሮም ናይ household survey በኦዲኬት አከበ እዩ ናይተን ኢንሽን ከዓ excel based standard questionnaire ዳሌና ብኦ መሰረት ተአከበ ማለት እዩ ስለዚህ assumptions and considerations ተጠቅምናሉ ሓደ ክነእክብ ተለና ናይ ፕራይስ ዴታ ተጠቅምናሉ ሽዑ ዝነበረ ዴታ prevailing price ንብሎ نسينا هذا عنا costing approach now retrospectively إنا خيدنا يول مع الأكلي ده أزر تتطقمنا بفلاي أبناء هالسكتر كسرة إنجري ناي سلست عامت أبناء تمرتن حرناي ناي سلست عامت كسرة إن ما صارت تفرد سلزة عامت كعامت قلنا inflation قداس لولو بتناي national standard زي adjusted inflation rate 3.3% حساب غيرنا أنا صرحنا أيام مالت so ኣብዚ ክንጥቀም ተለና ቦስ ካረንሲስ ናይ ኢትዮጵያን ብርን እና ኢንተርናሽናል ናይ ዶላር ካረንሲን በخلቱ ያው for easy understanding and for easy communication ተጠቅምና ኢና ስራሕና ማለት so severity level ክንርኢ ተለና damage level تحت 15% ኣሎ ካብ 15 እስከ 50% ካብ 50 እስከ 75 ልዕሊ 75 እስከ 100% ብልብል ያው ኣብ ካታጎራይዝ ገርናየ ማለት ስለዚ እውን ብትናይ ኤክላክ ፍሬምወርክ ካታጎራይዝ ተገበረ እዩ I think ቅጽል ዶ ዳኒ Hello.
هو تشارلز presentation كان.
ماشي thank you so much. አጋጣሚ ኔትወርክ ከአቢለየ thank you.
No, you're good. Go ahead. So
ስለዚህ ካልት ዴታ ማኔጅመንት ኤንድ አናሊሲስ ኣብ ዝተጠቅምናል ቴክኒክ ስሬስ ለኾነ ዴታ ክሊኒንግ ካይድና ኢና ስለዚህ ትነበረ ዴታ ብዙሕ ዴታ እዩ ሶ ክሊን ክግበር ነይርዎ ዴታ ክሊኒንግ ኤንድ ቫሊዴሽን ቴክኒክስ ኣብዚ ብሰፊሑ ሰራሕና ኣለዩ ያው ኦዲኬ ምኻንውን ሓደ ፐርፐስፉል ማለት ካብ ሃርድ ኮፒ ኮሽነር ምኻኑ በኦዲኬ ምኻንውን for easily outlier detect ምግባር redundancy and missed data remove ምግባር easily ሓግዙናል ማለት ኣክሊ ካልእ ኣብዚ ናይ ኢኮኖሚክ ኢቫሉዌሽኑ ሓደ ብር እንግዲህ ሓደ USD ብ56.6 ብር ኢና ኮንቨርት ጌርናዮ በተሽዑ ነበረ ናይ ማርኬት ዕዳጋ $1 ብ56.6 ናይ ኢትዮጵያ ቅርሺ ብኡ ኮንቨርት ተገበረ ማለት እዩ so the other thing operational definitions ኣለውና እንግዲህ ዳሜጅ ዕንወት ክንብል ተለና እንታይ ማለት እዩ ኪሳራ ክንብል ተለና እንታይ ማለት እዩ additional cost ወይ ተወሳኺ ወጻእታት ክንብል ተለና እንታይ ማለት እዩ so damage ክንብል ተለና እንግዲህ is for easily understanding refers to the total or partial destruction of physical asset example infrastructure facility እና ዝመሰሉ ያው ናይ ፊዚካል ዳሜጅ ማለት እዩ ሎስ ክንብል ተለና ደግሞ goods and products that go unproduced until after እስካ ፕሪቶሪያ ጊዜ ነበረ እዛው ዘይተመረቱን ዘይት ውሃው ሰርቪሳትን ማለት አክሊ additional cost ማለት represent extra expenses ለውፃናዮም rebuilding rehabilitation ዝተሰርሑ ስራሕቲ ዝሓወሰ ማለት እዩ the other thing perpetrators ክንብል ተለና ቶም ፈጸምቲ አካላት ማለት እዩ ስለዚህ ነዚ ዕንወት በዋናነት ተጠየቅቱ ዝኾኑ ፈጸምቲ አካላት መነ እዮም ዝብል ስለዚህ ANDF ኣሎ ኢትዮጵያ ናሽናል ዲፌንስ ፎርስ ንብሎ AFP ክንብል ተለና የፌደራል ፖሊስ ማለት እዩ EDF ክንብል ተለና አንቶ ናይ ትምህርቲ ናዮ ኤርትራ ዲፌንስ ፎርስ ማለት እዩ አምሓራ ፎርስ ኣሎ ዓፋር ኣሎ ባንዲትስ ኣሎ ናንስተት አርምድ አክተርስ ኮይኖም ግን ያው ዘረፍቲ ከም ማሊ ጆይንት ፎርስስ ናይዞም ኣብ ላዕሊ ዘርናዮም ብሕብረት ኮይኖም ዘዕናይዎ ኣለና other unidentified and spontaneous groups ውን ኣለውና ማለት እዩ so ሜካኒዝም ብከመይ ማዕነዮም ዝብል ለዚ ኤግዜኪዩሽን ኦር ሜካኒዝም ኦፍ ታይፕ ኣለና በየናይ ሜተድ እዮም ማዕነዮም ዝብል እዩ እዚ ታንክ ዲዮም ተጠቅሞም ኤር ስትራይክ ዲዩ ብሉቲንግ ዲዩ ዝብል ንሱ ዲስክራይብ ንምጋር እዩ the other thing nature of damage በመምላይ ማዕነዮም ሲሎም ዲዮም ማለት ኢንተንሽናል ዲዩ ዓሚት ዕንወት ወይስ ኣብ ኩናት ኮላተራል ዳሜጅ ዲያጋጥሙ ዝብል እዚ ዲፋይን ገርና ያና ሶ ዳሜጅ ታይፕ እንግዲህ ቃጸሎ ኣሎ ስርቅ ኣሎ ያው መስባር ኣሎ እሱል ነው ላል እንግዲህ ኣብ ስርቂ ሓደ ግዜ ታይገበረም ኾነ ኢሎም ናምነት ናይ መኪና ንርኢ ነርና ሜን ስፐር ፓርትስ ከመይ ገርካ ይስረቅ ከም ዝኽእል ኢንተንሽናል ሰርቁሉ ነገር ዝውን ዲፋይን ገርና ያና ማለት the other thing ያው ከባክ ባህልቶለ እንግዲህ when we say blockage is an obstruction of the act of stopping something from passing through which makes movement or flow of difficult or impossible ልን ናይ ገብረስላሴ ዲፋይን ገወሮ እዚ ተጣምናና ስክኑል ተለናውን ሁሉ እዚ ምርአይ ካሊ መስለን ግዜ ለላይ ነብራ so ኣብ ጽናዓትና እንግዲህ ኢቲካል ኮንሲደሬሽን አካይናና so full of ናይዝ ጽናዓት እንግዲህ ብናይ ፓርቲሲፓንትስ ብናቶም ድሌትን ኣብ ናቶም ዌል ኢንፎርምድ ኢንፎርሜሽንን ብናቶም ሰናይ ተበግሶን ተኻይደ ምዃኑ ያ ኢንፎርምድ ኮንሰንት ወሲናና to overall ከኦም ዝወሰድናዮ ዴታውን ኮንፊደንሻል ተሓለይ ስታብ ሕዚ ብሕጋዊ ኢናረልስ ገርናዮ ለናስ ፋይንዲንግ ቅድም ሕዚ ግን ዝወፀ ነገር ከም ዘለና ኮንፊደንሻልቲ ከም ተሓለዩ respect and safety right and privacy fly ካብ household survey ወሰድናዮ ዴታውን ከም ዘሎ ኮይኖም እንግዲህ ኣብ ኢንቴግሪቲ ፕራይመሪ ዴታ ምስ ሰከንደሪ ዴታውን ንምንባብ ሞክርና ያና ማለት እዩ ስለዚህ እዚ ካብልኩ ናይ ጽናዓት ዝድኽመታ እዩ ሊሚቴሽንስ ክንርኢ ተለና ሓደ ኔቸር ናይቲ ኩናት ኔቸር ሳይክሊካል ስለነበረ ናይ ተመላለሰ ስለነበረ ሶ ፉል ስለዚህ ብሙሉነት ኣይተጸንዓን ማለት ዋን ስቶፕ ዴታ ኮሌክት እንገብር ተመልሶ ይዓኒ ብኸምኡ ስለኾነ ፉል ከርእየና ይኽእልን ዝብል እቲ ሓደ ብዓብዩ ከዓ ምዕራብ ትግራይ ሳም ፓርት ኦፍ ኖርዘርን ትግራይ ኢስተርን ትግራይ እውን ስለለይሓወሰ ብሙሉእ ከርእየና ይኽእልን ዝብል እዩ ካልእ private sector بمولو نايتن private institutions ديتا كولكت سلكي تجارة زون خم حد جاب كرينا يخلي يزول إنا خم limitation وسيدنا مالت the main challenges and obstacles تحدث نايز ناي security and accessibility issue الحمد لله خم mobility نارن نايز أتاش جرنيرو ناي financial burden ونيرنا ناي material حسرات ناي نزك سرح الخل ناي سبع عقمي ويستمر حال سوونا بتجري ليلهم خانو حدا challenging نيرو مالكال ናይ ሎጂስቲክስ ዲፊካልቲስ ውን ብሰፊሕ ነይሩ ማለት አሊ ሶ ኮምፕሊት ብሎኬጅ ኦፍ ኢንተርኔት ዘይምንዋሩ ዴታቤዝ ብቀልሉ ሪቪው ክንገብራ ይኽእልና ሊትሬቸር ውን ንምውሳድ ንሽገረሉ ነገር ነይሩ እዩ ዴታ ሊሚቴሽንስ ብፍላይ ኣብና ፕሪ-ዋር ሂስትሪ ቶም ዶክመንታት ስለተቃጸሉ ትግራይ ፕሪ-ዋር እንታይ ትመስል ነይራ ሌልካ ሪከርድስ ንምርኣይ ናቪጌት ንምግባር ኣሸጋሪ ነይሩ ማእከል ማለት ሶ ስለዚህ ኦቨርኦል ኢፌክት አይልመስል እንግዲህ ካፍተን 720 አካባቢ ሄልስ ፖስት ና 643 ሄልስ ፖስት ና 28 ጥዕና ጣብያታት ና 12 ፕራይመሪ ሆስፒታል ና 12 ጀነራል ሆስፒታል ና 2 ሪፈራል ሆስፒታልን ናይ ካፍተን 800 ፕራይቬት ሄልዝ ኢንስቲትዩሽን ደግሞ ናይ 219 ዴታ ክንስብስብ ኸና ኢና ብተወሳኺ ናይተን ሄልዝ ኦፊሳትን ናተን ውን ያው ዴታ ክንወስድ ወሲና ማለት ስለዚህ ፒክቸር እንድሕሪና እዩ ናይ ሓደ ትካሊ እንግዲህ ናይ ኦፕሬሽን ክፍሊ ከመይ ከም ልዕለይዎ ካብዚ ፒክቸር ዝምርኣይ ካሊ ማለት ስለዚ ሶስ ኢንተርናሽናል and deliberate damage ምንዋሩ ካብዚ ኢሜጅ ዝምርኣይ ካሊ ማለት ሶ ኦቨርኦል ናይቲ ዳሜጅ ኢፌክት እንድሕሪናዮ 3.5 ቢልዮን ኣካባቢ ሎስ ናይ ፓብሊክ ናይ ፕራይቬት እንድሕሪናዮ ከባቢ 3.5 ቢልዮን ዶላር ኣካባቢ ይግመት ሶ ካብዚ ዳሜጅ 699 ሚልዮን ኤስዲ ኣካባቢ ናይ ሎስ ደሞ 2.8 ቢልዮን ወይ ከዓ ሚልዮን ኤስዲ مخاون مرأي كالي مالتنا ناي public ناي private دليسة وابزي بسبيسيفيكالي المعلومات ممكن لنا مالتي لازم باي specific item category كلنا تزعل عنوس لصحة أب building كابيو رعتهم 3 مليون إسلا كابي جمعت أو ناي office equipment سوينا 2 مليون بفلاي أمر حانيت أو ناي laboratory agents and chemicals ون لعل عنوس خملة قطنا كابزي figure زي مرأي كالي مالتي So أوزي بدمج لبن نحرينايو أو ناي public sector درجة 9.9% almost greater than 7.5% هنا complete damage مالك بفلاي أوزي table بقى يحتقمط له medical equipment laboratory agents chemicals medicines أو electric materials consumables أو books and records نحرينا almost complete damage خملو خانن أو ترفهم ليلن مرأيك عليه مالتي مني نزع نوصي فصمو نحنا ازما بزين نحر اخوينا انغدي ناي ديستريبيوشنز نايتهم perpetrators ديستريبيوشن نحرينايو تبقيح لولو ناي ኢትዮጵያ መከላኸል ሰራዊት ማለት እዩ ሰማያዊ ለሎ ደሞ ናይ ኤርትራ ሰራዊት ይለርየና ካብዝማ በዝን ድሕሪና ተሰፍሕ ፓርት ሸፍኑ ወለሎ ሞቢሊቲውን ናይ ኤርትራ ሰራዊት ለዓለ ሸር ከም ዝነበረ ምራይ ካሊ ሶ ሲምፕሊ ካብዝ ፍገር ዝን ድሕሪናዮ 56.3% ናይ ኤርትራ ሓይሊ ለዓለ ዕነት ከም ለጽሐ ምራይ ካሊ ማለት እዩ أبنا هيل سيكتور لوس نحرقنا إنجدي economic loss بلوس كاتيجوري سامري كريت لنا إنجدي disruptor of services كاوشو منتم تأسرح 5 مليون أكاوي إسدي جمت risks and vulnerabilities 504 شو منتم مليون إسدي أكاوي جمت good governance issue أبدو صحة كسارة دمو حنيت 5 بليون إسدي أكاوي جمت مالتنا زلعلة أو ناي governance هيل سيكتور governance أكاوي لعلى كسارة 5 صحة رأينا مالت لستو تاريخ شو منتم بليون أكاوي عنو كسارة 5 لنا مرأين لكل مالتي so disruptions of production of goods and services كنلت لنا تاي مالتنا أينا أمنت المطاصل أكل عاوز كنت تقدر حدا هيل سيكتور كجبرز نرى بفلا بشانالتون بشانال سرن ناي partners and donors لمس نرى support مولو تام تعاصي مخانو يرينا كمنجس الركب نرى grants projects ون مولو خم تعاصي أو قمتنا أتيسوبر مثلا خالق سيرفيس للي نرى سبات كبوتان كساسا ناي referral cost and مستراح حزون قدي high burden of disability low cost for long term disability and psychological treatment loss نزون تحسب لي جوري خالق unexpected health related humanitarian expenses قدي زلعله ناي تفناقلتي محورسه ولا ناو تግራይ نعوم زوص انا حكمنا وصاي it was unexpected هم عانت انت ما سلتن لخونو لمالنا الاكلي خالق ناي health sector ناي revenue loss internal revenue لو كمنستر كبجت له زون مولو هم تعصب الاكلي ناي private sector revenue እና በዝኾነ እዚ ዝወፅሕ ዕኖት additional costs invested ልገበርናዮም ዝሓወሰ ማላክሊ ማለት the other thing ስለዚ overall ያው ኣብ disruptions of production of goods and services ዝወፅሕ ዕኖት 8.25 ሚልዮን ኢስላ አካባቢ ግመት ማለት እዩ ኣብ governance and decision making እንተለና እንግዲህ ሄልት ሴክተር ኮኦርዲኔት ልግባር ማኔጅ ልግባር ቴክኒካል ሰፖርት ንምሃብ ሞኒተሪንግ and evaluation አካባቢ plus cost of loss of data medical እንግዲህ ሙሉ ነበረናይ medical history of ትግራይ بسنكت عنوت لوس جرنا أنا سلزي زديتها ناي هيستوري لوس ميديكال ريكوردز لوس زحاوسي خالي بصفحو سماعات عناتات بسنكت خنات صراحة بمسانون كابتجرينا خال عبدي انقدي يسدوت اللو نزيوم كنمهر كنملس زموتنا ون بأكل استقودوا مسلونا مثل جورنا مالنا زون زحاوسي the other thing هاز work force productivity تحسب لجورنا لازم أقول governance كاول بس حكي صراحة نتوحى مش بلين نكاوي جمس بس العلون زي مالتي خالي increase risk and vulnerability كنلتلنا انقدي بسنك زخونات اب تግራይ زيوسخ حمام يلا سنامنت HIV ريسكيو موثاديتات موسخ ريسكيو TB موسخ بعل ريسكيو COVID-19 نير بروجرام سيرفيس انت نغورو اكيد مال نيوتريشن بردن موسخ خمس يوم مثلا خالوتن توسخن بحاوسه المال اكلي زون ك5.4 نتح حدا خت مننا كابي جمات مالتي so impact is مثل ناي اوكي عنوت رينا حزنا هيل سيكتور impact is مثل بسنك زخونات هيل سيكتور impact تاع يبصح حزل حدا غزلا علينا infrastructure damage لنا health centers hospitals عنا طاياتات health posts اوفيسات درجه عنيو من لنا بعبيو ناي infrastructure damage وصحناي خالق significant number of health workers بفلاي سينير حكايمات كاب تجري نتصدرون أخذ عدي خدلو سمع حمد هونيهم so displacement of significant number of health workers لنا the other thing the basic essential health service coverage dropped to 3.9% إذا مالت مسرتها وقلقالو عنا زبهالو إنقدي قد نخونات لعل 8% هو نارنا سيرفيس بس إنك زخونات نفس السنة 9% خمس ورد إذا رأينا the other thing green maternal and child health was disrupted when major كابل and necessary service was disrupted also the other thing أمرهم تعنا بفلاي community based health insurance ولا نارنا سيرفيس program إنقدي تجري مرأيا نورتو إثيوبيا almost 100% collapse when خالد practice of home delivery إنقدي national delivery in area بسكل بسمات عنا مولاد أذكرت غير خمولاد قدمي خناتات لعل 8% coverage بس إحنا نرنا لنا حزي the practice of home delivery إنقدي كابر 10% ولا مالت زمالت وتعمي قلل لي خنام and لعل 8% عنا تكالاتنا درجة non functional خمس خنا إلى رأينا health risks and vulnerabilities was severely increased in أنا the other thing outpatient and patient service was disrupted ambulance service وانتما سالي بخامو خمسة أنا إلى رأي لذي هاي maternal and child mortality لنا severe acute malnutrition ونزل على إيو prevalence of HIV malaria TB توسيناون زل على بردن خمسة لنا أي the other things high burden of people with disability حزي أو تقرأ مستخونات راح حزو number of people with disability زل على قصرية خمسة اللي هو مرأي كالي ناي mental and psychosocial health outcome disturbance ولنا لنا كابزي بالزلالة إنجري health care accessible سلالي خوانا so محور سمنا زي ترى لينا حكمنا وسأتات ويخعت out of pocket expenditure نورو catastrophic and نخوانا medical expenses خمسة لنا ياو مرأي كالي مالتي so indicator creator لخنا عملت عمنا ياديتات الناس أنا عمنا ياديتات موت قد مخونات كابزنا الرأي متسامنا شو دشي حزي لو شو مونتين تي أربعة كاي per 1000 live births مالتي إذا مالت إنجدي قد مثلا عملت نورنا status درجة مالتي أو نيرات المورتاليتي نحرقنا ياو 10 كابي نيرو حزي لو 3 شو دشي almost double لو عليه عصفي خمس خانة إلى رأينا under 5 with child mortality نولون كاب 10 شعنتي لو 5 شعنتي 5 خانة أندري ناي ANC antenatal coverage نورا كاب 9% لو 10% almost drop غيرلو skill delivery assisted skill delivery نولون كاب 8.4% لو 10% ورديو immunization full immunization coverage 100% زنورنا حزي almost لو 10% كاب نورينا acute malnutrition እንግዲህ global acute malnutrition نحرينا 19% كابي 19% كابي له إذا مالت لو 15% تخونس almost كله blanket لخونا ناي فور coverage يدلله مالتي indication لذي أمتوتنا ديتات نحرينا ون يو prevalence of severe acute malnutrition with pregnant and lactating mothers لو 19% كابي له مالتي خاله نا HIV positivity rate almost كاب 0.9 ل 1% خذوس خنيو the prevalence of HIV AIDS among general population zone كم حرنة 4 لو 3% بتعامل significant number almost لو ده مالتي ترجمه so لو زعوا له مالك علي ناي ملاريا كذا سند حرينا كم 19 لو 15 العصفي يوصل له ده ناي TB كذا detect ناي مقرع عنا almost تمزنور كذاتون أو يخمز له نافزي فلوت الخناتات 9% نافزي فلوت الخناتات هم زورد إلى رينا ناونا خالق أمنا سكر حكمنا وي أمنا ديابيتك ملاي تسكر محرنا يو نور فول أب كم 9% نا 10% دروب خمس جبراي كما سالينا HIV حكمنا فول أبون المست يعرف فول أب تحت 10% خم الخنا إلى رأينا بتما سال زي per capita healthcare utilization نولو زي ناي outpatient ناي تمارس حكمنا ون كابا حنا تشوم 1% بس إحنا نيرنا حزي تحت 1% خم الأمر أي مالتي أو هاوسول سيرفي اللي كان يو فايندينج كايلر إنا كاب شو دشيم تحمسين شعان تشحن شعات شو دشيم ساعن حمشين هاوسول سيرفي وسينا نيرنا كاب السنسس الوصلنا ريبورت لرينا almost 14% ناي أجهزة ولدي براكسي جور لو مالتي هلا كفتم 14% almost زي قليل القصري خوين درجة فرق مالتي أو زرينا لكن تحت مخانينا نريد لنا مالتي the other thing كفتم ناي home delivery practice جور لو هاوسول almost شو دشيم 1% maternal days خم لقات مراي كالي تشعند نتحرك percent ون neonatal days خم لقات كاوس فيجرز مراي كال مالتي the other thing كافتر 10% هاوسولس ريبورت ذات infection مسؤولي ترى عايزو يا برخصتات and زي ترى ناي infection خم لقات مراي كالي مالتي خالي كابز ولي كاب home delivery practice كابز جور 1.3% are prone to excessive bleeding نزون أب ريسك خم لخانة رأي كالي مالتي صوت تايت مين كوز ناي ماترنال ديز نحرينا نعمل 16% مرحانت نسسر اللي بهالأخر مرحانت بلي مرخاوم 11% كابون يا أمبولانس بلي منورن نمز other thing ያው 7% አካባቢ lack of blood donation ምህላዩን ካብዚ ምርኣይ ካሊ ማለት so the main drugs ታይታ እዮም ኣብ ትግራይ ዝነበሩ እንድሕሪና ንኣብነት drug for HIV AIDS mental health tuberculosis ናይ ስኳር መድሓኒት ናይ ኩላሊት ሕክምና መድሓኒት እዚኦም ዳርጋ ይነበሩ ማለት ካብዚ ብስፍሕ ዘይነበረት ናይ mental health ሕክምና እንግዲህ መብዛሕትኡ ሰብ they are prone to stress and anxiety بس ذكرنا حكمون إن خلنا الحين تاتجن درجة بتجري نوران مالتي سو 34% أي نوران مال كاري خالق بحرفنات مس أما حارس أو كوزروي صفحة حمامات حدا ناي جاسترايتسيو مس 34% كاري كاب زوسن ناي سيرفيرينا نديارا ليزيس زمالت إنجلي أو إنفراستراكشر عامي لنا ما يلنا نسهنا يلنا سو ديارا ليزيس was the top 14% አካባቢ ፕሪቫለንስ አለው ማለት አለ ቲቢ ቱበርኩሎሲስ 13% ደርማይታይተስ 15% አካባቢ and liver disease 2.5% አካባቢ ከም ዝኾነ ያው ካብዚ ፊገር ዝምርኣይ ካሊ ማለት ስለዚህ ብሓጽሩ ኮንክሉድ ክንገብሮ ተለና ብሰንኪ ዝኾነ ስርዓት ዕና ትግራይ severely devastated ከም ዝኾነ and basic need ልበሃል basic essential health coverage basic essential health service ናይ ማሕበረሰብ كنقرب أبو زين خلوا له بركي بس إحنا حمد لنا ياو بزي كونكلود كنقورن خلينا وزن نحوانو we recommend that جدي necessarily لخوانا resource mobilize مقاري لي for evacuator way for easily relief recommendation rehabilitation لازم مسرح كلهم زي الخطة مع كالات partners UN agencies humanitarian organizations and like ياو diaspora community بيرو بعلوهم بيروون بصوف حاول resource mobilization نقف زبل recommendation لنا thank you so much
بالطعمي thank you حلفهم طعمي دبس لو oh my gosh you know تي كم زي كأني on detail document وينو كارلو it's just it's very painful but we have to face it نا بالطعمي كبرتي هبرنا أحواتنا مستزنينا جزء مجال حنتحتو ينا حنفكر مالتيو أتوي behind 15 to 20 minutes بدحارق لنا مو حتو زلو وسب تعالوا حنتحتو هنكبرينا for the time being
خبرتي هابل ليناتي واحد يكون أنا قدامي سو ممبرس لزخونكو قدامي يعطي شاتس حتى دوز لزلاس من سي نيبي ومبراهين مهاد أكلي سو تذكر سيتهم تصنيع عمل له دوكومنتات على نخاوي يكونوا يونيفرسيتات ويتكالات قمت له زخول من قد تاين يزل توتال عليرنا الذي عندكم بدن بجلس ويت تصنيع له مصنعات تنعسن تسنيلو publish كون غيرنا عينا publication يكون يا easily available for the scientific community كباصح تغير يوز اخر زي كون يخلي ነገር ግን አቋጻሊ ብስዋደ ለመንገዲ ተምስተረኩ ዳታታት ክሊን ጌርኻ publish ጌርኻ ንዝምልከቱ አካል ክልጽሕ ምግባር ስኑድ ክኸውን ምግባር ኣብ ዝኾነ ይኹን ሰዓት ብዝተፈላለየ መንገዲ ዝደለየ አካል ተሃሊ ያው ከይዱ ክርኢ ይግበረሉ ኢና እዚ ኢንፋሲስ ለማሃቢ ክብረት ይሃበኒ
thank you ክብረት ይሃበልና ዜናዊ هاونا thank you
أبشات اللو حطوتات مو ترى عنديين يد حنتكو already الزيناوي أبيلوان
هاونا اللغام ببين مويرا
نيرو أربعة حطوتات ينكاريو نيرو من السنتر تنبون نمو بميلات ونس تحت تاخذ تحطوتات اللو
أم ببلو مونا اللغا
حنت حطو زرع أخوانا recovery and rehabilitation document يلنتو ليها مثلا حنت حطو نسايا سوستناي recovery and rehabilitation document እንግዲህ አፍተናይ ኤክላክ ፍሬምወርክ ዝበልኩ አንቶይ እንግዲህ ሰለስተ አፕሮች ኣለዎት ሓደ ዳላ ምጽናዕ እዩ ሕዚ ዳሜጅ and loss assessment እዩ ተኸላይ አፕሮች ዳና ንብሎ ዳሜጅ and need assessment ንብሎ እዩ ሶስቱ ናይ ሄልት ሴክተር ሪከቨሪ and rehabilitation ዶክመንት አፍቲ ናይ ዳና ናይ ወርልድ ባንክ ዝረከብናዮ ኣብኡ ወረከብናየና እቲ ናይ ና ኣብኡ ተጠቃልሉ ማለት
All right. And my last assignment was to look at religious coexistence in Ethiopia before COVID happened. And then I had to come home back to Washington, D.C. And I had to keep my focus on Ethiopia because I still had a project. I just couldn't do interviews. So that's when I saw what was happening in Tigray. And my background is in counterterrorism. And the methods that were being used for war in Tigray against the Tigrayan people were the methods of terrorists and not government. And that I think is what sort of hooked me in. But I've been in the conflict humanitarian space for about the past 20 years. And this has been one of the worst conflicts I've seen to date. I'm going to try to share my screen here. All right, so my presentation is going to borrow a lot from the great work that has been done by the Commission of Inquiry into the Tigray genocide. I can't say enough about what they've done. To have an organization like them that is documenting this very soon after some of this terrible stuff happened, and actually while there's still ongoing occupation of Tigray, is essential. And the job that they're doing, I can't say enough about how important that is, and how everything that they've been producing is very, very painful and heartbreaking to see. But it is absolutely necessary that they're documenting this so extensively, so comprehensively, because it allows people like me and everybody else to talk about what happened with some basis in fact, which is something that rarely happens after a genocide, or even while a genocide is still going on in places of Tigray. So I just wanted to take a different perspective to look at the destruction of the healthcare system in Tigray. And this should be a fairly quick presentation. So as everybody knows, without going too far into background, I'm sure everybody's familiar, but the first real assessment of how the genocide was impacting Tigray was performed by Doctors Without Borders, MSF, in March 2021. It was released. And what they found, of course, was that the healthcare system was being deliberately targeted, looted, destroyed. It was being commandeered by enemy forces to be used as command centers and everything. I mean, the rule of law had completely broken down. Rules of war had completely broken down. This almost completely wiped out the healthcare system. About 10% of facilities and vehicles were spared after the war. Even at the time of this first initial assessment, only about 13% of the 100 buildings or 100 facilities that they visited were still standing. And this is another part of the destruction of the healthcare system. Nobody was allowed to talk about it. A week after their report came out, Doctors Without Borders report came out, a driver for Doctors Without Borders was dragged out of a car and almost beaten to death on the side of the road by soldiers. 3 months after it came out, 3 heroic staff members at Doctors Without Borders were killed, executed, according to a New York Times investigation, at the orders of a military commander, by soldiers, point blank, executed out of their vehicle. A month later, their operations were shut down because their staff were carrying satellite phones. So this is 1 month after 3 of them were murdered. They're carrying satellite phones to be able to communicate is an essential practice. And they were kicked out for that. They were allowed to reopen later, but they were still harassed. But right now, the people of Tigray still remain largely without access to health services for almost any reason. If you look at the table there on the right, it shows that the post-war undamaged, still functional health facilities are a fraction of the very robust health system that existed before. So if we look at what happened during the conflict, during the genocide, these are acts of genocide, in my opinion, and in the opinion of some of the foremost legal scholars of our time, the New Lines Institute. Medicine and medical supplies were blocked from reaching Tigray. That means anybody with a chronic condition stopped getting treatment. Anybody who was newly diagnosed with a life-threatening disease, that it was essentially a death sentence. Fuel for generators and vehicles was blocked from reaching Tigray. This means that there's no more ambulances. Of course, ambulances were largely destroyed and looted. No more fuel for generators. Many of the generators were also destroyed and looted ultimately. But what this means is that if you can't walk, if you're not healthy enough to walk a long distance, then you can't get medical care. Now, that specifically affects people who really need health care. So this was a very damaging thing. Another outcome of this was that babies were born in the dark. It is very hard. This is a nightmare for doctors and mothers and babies to deliver a child in the dark, where you can't see the baby's breathing right. You can't see where, if there's blood, where blood's coming from, where there's bleeding or tearing or anything like that. You can't see these things very well in the dark. So this becomes a nightmare scenario. Also, surgeries you could barely perform because there's no lights, there's no basic drugs, there's no fuel for generators. So, and as I said, the facilities were used as command centers in many cases. They were looted in other cases. They were vandalized, as was shown before with the schools. This also happened with hospitals. I mean, it was just, hospitals were made targets of the genocide. The impact of this on the people was devastating. There was more than 100,000 acts of sexual violence were committed against the people of Tigray, according to several studies now. They were blocked, the survivors of those attacks were blocked from reaching hospitals. They were blocked from getting health care. Even when they did reach a hospital, if they could, they didn't have the medicine to treat them. It was very disgraceful. In some cases, soldiers were posted out in front of a hospital to either dissuade survivors of sexual-based violence or even to locate them and silence them. Imagine soldiers or militia fighters from the Fano militias going through hospitals trying to find their victims so that they can silence them after the victim had finally gotten to a hospital. These types of things were happening. That was documented by Human Rights Watch back in 2021. Doctors and other medical workers were killed. They were harassed, displaced, starved. They were not paid through the entire war. They were volunteers, effectively. They were working under terrible, stressful, dangerous conditions, sometimes under fire, sometimes with enemy forces. We still, at HPN, we still have doctors working just kilometers from the line of control where the troops that committed genocide before are waiting. That's where they're practicing medicine. These people are heroes, and they deserve all of our respect and around the world. The medical personnel in Tigray, they went without basic supplies, things like bandages, drugs, just basic tests to do, basic equipment that you need. They didn't have all of these things. Anything that was perishable, anything that you use once and then you're supposed to throw away, those ran out very early on. In one case, a doctor said the lucky people in Tigray were receiving expired drugs, but most people were receiving nothing. There were some drugs that they had in some supplies that they could give to babies, and then in those cases, they didn't have food to give. The patients, they lack the basic building blocks of health, of recovery. So if you're a patient at a hospital, you need food to survive, to get well, to fight off an infection, to fight off a disease, something that your body can take care of itself. If you don't have food, if you don't have soap, if you don't have clean water, then you can't prevent spread. You can't cure an infection. There's a lot of things you can't do. So not only were doctors not being able to practice medicine using modern or whatever even comes close to modern tools, they were dealing with all of these impediments that were deliberately made These were deliberate actions by the government of Ethiopia, of Eritrea, to block all of this stuff from coming into Tigray. So they were operating under the worst circumstances imaginable. This is something was brought up in the previous presentation. I just wanted to put them side to side here, just to show some of these things. I won't go through them all because they went through them, but look at this: 4.5 times increase in maternal mortality, 3 times increase in neonatal mortality. That's from day 0 to day 27 of babies, what's called a neonate. And the death rate there is terrible. I'll go into that more in a second here. If you look at neonatal mortality in perspective, prior to the war, the neonatal mortality rate was 10 per 1,000 live births. This is slightly below the world average. This is on the right side of the world's average. This was one of the best systems in Africa. This was comparable to many places around the world. Tigray had one of the finest healthcare systems in the region. After the war, we're looking at 36 deaths per 1,000 live births. That makes Tigray is now the most dangerous place, one of the most dangerous places in the world for a child to be born into. They do not reach the age of 28 days as often as people in almost any other country. And that is a direct result of the damage done to the healthcare system. If you look at maternal mortality, where the mother does not survive childbirth, prior to the war, there's 186 per 100,000 live births. This level is too high. It's twice the SDG target goal of 70 by 2030, but it's still lower than the world average. It's still safer to deliver a baby in Tigray before the war. It was safer to deliver a baby in Tigray than many other places in the world. After the war, that jumped to 840 per 100,000 live births, which makes it, again, one of the most dangerous places in the world for a woman to deliver a baby. These things were wiped out. All of this progress was wiped out by the war. This brings me to the global implications of what happened in Tigray, of the genocide in Tigray, and how this impacted the healthcare system. Everybody in the international community knew this was happening, but they let it happen anyway. They didn't just look away. They effectively legalized what was going on. By seeing it, they investigated it. There were numerous reports, there were numerous accounts of what was happening. But by acknowledging that was happening and not doing anything, they've essentially made this something that now is allowed to happen. And that wasn't always the case. Throughout history, health has been targeted, of course, but there was progress made on human rights. That all fell apart when it came to Tigray. Everyone around the world who was supposed to lift a finger to stop the destruction of the healthcare system barely even took small actions. Nobody did what they were supposed to. This is just a slide. This is just a smattering of articles that came out during the war that told everybody what was happening. Everybody knew what was happening. Anybody in a decision-making capacity at a place like the UN, at a place like the African Union, and in Washington, D.C., the Department of State, in Europe, anywhere, everybody knew what was happening and they let it happen. That was not always the case around the world. It used to, when they say not a target, when they say humanitarian workers or doctors are not a target, that used to mean something. In Kenya, in 2011, I was working on a project. In 2011 in East Africa, there were two people were kidnapped, again, from Spain, which Tigray, the world owes a great debt to Spain. Two Spanish women working for Doctors Without Borders were kidnapped from Dadaab. And the Kenyan military made an incursion into Somalia. Now, I'm not saying that's the way to go in all of these situations, but what I'm saying is it used to be if you kidnap a humanitarian worker or a doctor from Doctors Without Borders, there were consequences. There are no consequences anymore. Everybody's decided to be cowards about it and not stand up. So, but they'll stand up and they'll say not a target, but that doesn't mean anything. Even Al-Qaeda in Yemen, they attacked a hospital that was attached to a military facility, and they had to apologize for attacking it because their people were outraged that that Al-Qaeda could do this. The level of morality, the responsibility to protect that we saw in Tigray, that we're seeing today, would not have been good enough for Al-Qaeda 10 years ago. That is a sobering reality that we're living in right now. So moving forward, just to wrap this up, moving forward, the failure to stop this is also an impediment to rebuilding. There's a lot of, Tigray does not have the money to rebuild its health system. That's not how this works. This is the damage is extensive. Please read the reports that the Commission of Inquiry has put together. They do a very good job explaining it, but the damage was extensive. They need money from the outside. Unfortunately, everybody who has the will to rebuild Tigray lacks the resources. And everybody who has the resources, the United States, Ethiopian federal government, this would cost less than a government mansion to fix. They don't have the will to do it. So if you have the resources, they don't have the will. Rebuilding is going to take a long time. That's the terrible reality, is that this is not going to happen right away. I wish it would, but I don't see the pathway to rebuilding very quickly. Until then, what everybody can do is support healthcare workers and institutions in Tigray that are holding the gap right now. They're still holding the gap between what used to be that you can have access to healthcare in Tigray, and what the reality is now is that the healthcare system is almost completely wiped out. So please support them. I just want to say thank you so much for letting me present today. It was an honor to present alongside some of the other presenters. I hope we get the other guy back who is going to talk about the IDPs. But one thing that we keep in mind at HPN for Tigray is that the doctors and the patients and the people of Tigray, whatever happens next, whether there's war or not, whether the occupation continues or it's not, or it doesn't continue anymore, whether this place go back or not, whether the harvest for seeds or fails, whatever happens, doctors are going to try to save the lives of patients. The people of Tigray are going to survive. I think that we can keep that dedication in our hearts and make sure that no matter what happens, maybe in our lives, maybe around the world, maybe in Tigray, anywhere, we still keep that in mind, that we're going to support the healthcare workers in Tigray, this wonderful institution, the Commission of Inquiry into the Tigray Genocide, the work that they're doing, the work that other institutions are doing to try to bring healthcare to people in Tigray. We're going to get doctors to women who need them. We're going to get doctors to babies who need them. We're going to increase that life expectancy that has gone down so much. Thank you so much for your time. God bless Tigray.
Thank you so much, Mr. Duke, for your
You're welcome.
presentation. Actually, we should say it's an honor having you here with us. And as I said earlier, you've been so consistent, citing the humanity side, and you still continue to do so. And I really appreciate that. And the people of Tigray will remember you for years to come, honestly. And thank you so much.
Why do you think that the world, the ones with resources? Yeah.
The question is, the question is, why do you think that the world, the powerful, the ones with resources, let terrorists act happen on the people of Tigray and deliberately ignore the rehabilitation. The reason why I think they allowed it to happen, quite frankly, is that the world was fairly caught up in the Abiy mania thing that was going on. This was a point in time where any young reformer in a country that we thought that maybe we could use reform, the United States was very happy about. And this is what happens when an ally of the United States, he was still, as much as everybody says, oh, the world was against him or whatever for the genocide, the world wasn't. The world was supporting Abiy Ahmed. And when our allies, the United States, when our allies commit acts of genocide, we're very reluctant to call it what it is. We're very reluctant to step in. I think we've seen that around the world many times, and it's not just Tigray, not just Gaza, all over the world. We allow our allies to commit acts that we would, if it was Russia, if it was China, maybe we would say something, but we protect our allies, unfortunately. And I think the same goes true for Europe. I think a lot of the powers in Europe are more looking for a economic relationship, and I think they're willing to overlook a great deal of carnage. I think with the U.S. overlooking some, I mean, to be fair, there were people in the U.S. Who were speaking out against it, and I'm talking about representatives of Congress, and Samantha Power. I wish she would have spoken much more forcefully, but she did speak out to some degree about it. Biden released an executive order, but never enforced it. So, I mean, there were small things that were done, but once you failed to recognize that this has happened, now you no longer see responsibility to protect. You no longer see that even the government of Ethiopia has a responsibility to do anything. So it's very hard then to turn around and help with the rehabilitation if you've been pretending that this was just a normal consequence of war the whole time. And plus, the rehabilitation came at a time where humanitarian assistance, the United States and the rest of the Western governments like Europe and stuff were stepping back shamefully from humanitarian assistance. So it came at there's a timing issue, but there was also an issue of political will, which it seems that nobody in the United States has anymore, which is the will to say, this was a terrible thing that happened. This happened on our watch. We should do something to try to help. Unfortunately, those sorts of accountability arguments don't fly very far anymore.
Can I, since I have the privilege to have the mic and to ask, I just want to ask you a quick question. What would you suggest the diaspora, the Tigray diaspora, would you have advocacy every continent? We do have a lot of organization. What do you think the role of the Tigray and the diaspora should be, particularly in rebuilding Tigray or the healthcare education system? I mean, I just, because we look like we're all over the place, and the politics in Maqala has kind of impacted us heavily, and we're not functioning, we're not doing, what we're supposed to, because as I said, the Tigray politics has been pretty toxic. And
Sure.
I mean, if we can just throw anything that what we can strategize as a diaspora Tagaru.
Well, that was part of the plan, I think, was to make sure that Tigray was in such desperate need that politics were nearly impossible. And I understand that there are profound political divisions, and I stay out of it, but it's very profound for some people. but to remember that core message that we need to rebuild Tigray. And that's not a nebulous concept. That's not a dream. That's putting bricks down on the ground and putting cement over them and another brick. That's a real thing that needs to happen. And so to push hard for that, and I know it's been said 1,000 times, but go as local as you can with your congressional representative or your member of parliament, whichever district you live in, talk to them about what's going on in Tigray and what people in Tigray need, and let them and make sure they know that your vote is contingent on them doing the right thing in Tigray. But also one last thing I would say, there needs to be, and this is something that's more of a broader thing, but there needs to be more pressure on medical companies, drug makers, anybody who's making money selling medicine, selling medical equipment, medical supplies in the West to people who can afford to pay for their hair to grow back and to get shots so that they stop being fat. Anybody who's making money on that needs to be leaned on to say, you need to be doing something for Tigray and other places in the world where basic medicine is still unobtainable for people. I would love to see that happen. Also, any gold that's coming out of Tigray right now, no matter who's taking it out of Tigray, that's money being stolen from the rebuilding of Tigray. That needs to go into the rebuilding of Tigray, not into somebody's pocket. So those are just my ideas.
Yeah, I mean, it's thank you so much. I mean, it's amazing, but you see, I mean, the elephant in the house is, you know, Tigray politics, regardless where it's coming from. I mean, pretty much a lot of us doesn't have much control of what's happening in Tigray, and we do frustrate, particularly this organization that we're in. It's a movement because, you know, we do have an amazing intellectuals that can contribute social.
Oh my God! Yeah.
At the end of the day, you know, we don't have any power in our hands. So the people who have the power in their hand is what. So that's why the destruction is. Sometimes, you know, we don't have that energy. Whatever the thing that's shaping our destiny is the politics in Mekelle, and that
it's
is
overwhelming.
That's creating you know, discommunication and all kind of you know, division within even the diaspora. You know, so I mean, but thank you for the.
هاي ምናልባት ለማዓንቲ I think hello ይስማዕ ዶ
ኣይረኣየኒ ዘሎ ንዓይምና እናሃለካ ክስታይ ግበሩ እቲ ኣብ ቻት ዝፅሓፍስ for some reason ክረኣየኒ ኣይከኣለን ናይ ዱክ ኮመንት ጥራሕ ትረኣየኒ ዘላ መጀመርያ ዝፅሓፋና ቀፅል ሓልፎም
ኣይ ምናልባት ከም ናይ በዓል ሞያ ጥዕና ዝሓለፈ 5 ዓመት ኣብዚ ስራሕ እዚ እውን ዝነጠፈ ሰብ ብዙሓት ከምዚ ዓይነት ኢንትረስት ዘለዎም ሰባት ይመፁ ሞ ገይሮም ናጠፍኡ ብጣዕሚ ስለተቸገርና ንምስተር ደክ ተካሓቶ ኣነ ኮሚትመንት እና ድሌት ክንደይ ናይ ኣክል ማለት እዚ ለማዓት ዘቕረብናዮ ብጣዕሚ ውሕድ እዩ ኣብቲ ጥዕና ናይ ማለት ስርዓት ጥዕና ትግራይ እንታይ ይመስል ዝብል ዘርእየና ብውሕድ ኢና ቀረብናና ዝበዝሕ ስራሕ ብድሕሪት ስለ ዘሎ ሶ ኣብ ተመሳሳሊ ፅንዓት ብፍላይ ጀኖሳይድ ክሕግዙ ዝኽእሉ ፔፐርስ ፓብሊሽ ኣብ ምግባር ዶኩመንት ኣብ ምግባር ኣዘር ስተዲስ እውን ንምፅናዕ ክንደየናይ ኮሚቴ ዲኻ ድሌት እውን ክንደየናይ ኢሉ ማለት ይደለ እዚኣ ሓተ ሊቪንግ እንግሊዝኛ ነው ምስተረክ
Sure, good. I'm sure you probably heard a little bit of that. No, what you know, Halefum's our brother that who presented earlier in regard of the healthcare system in Tigray, and what he's saying is that, you know, how far can you come and helping us documenting, and as you see, there was a lot of documentation that the prison, the damage is just, it's very unspeakable. I mean, really, it's really hard to imagine. But is there anything that you can help us to, you know, to contribute with us? I believe that's what.
Yeah. Absolutely. Please send me an email. I'm going to put my email here in the chat for everybody here. And please send me an email. And yeah, I would love, of course, anything that I could do to be helpful towards the great work that is being done over there. I would be very eager to help. I think the world of what everybody's doing over there. So yeah, let's talk and see what can be done, because I think that what you guys are doing, some of the most important work that's happening right now. So yeah, absolutely, very eager.
Thank you so much. I think I mean, you can imagine the work that they're doing, and with a lot of pressures. I mean, you see, even putting those numbers, you know, with what the Eritrean force done and the federal government. I mean, you know, our positions are divided, and then this individual has intellectualized the pressure, the threat that they go through. I just can't imagine.
It's amazing.
So it would be nice if we can communicate with them and encourage them and support them, and whatever, you know, connection that you have, you know, that would be great. I think it's a good way of doing that work. Carlo
Danny, you have Gurmai. Thank you, Duke, for coming again. So I think we have one more question on
chat.
Chat, yeah, iPhone, I don't know, iPhone you do. So he thanked us for, you know, coordinating and collaborating this event. So his question is, since Tigray is not in a gray zone and the world has not come to for us, how can we Tagaru everywhere along with our friends and partners like Mr. Duke come together and work toward rebuilding Tigray? We have already seen how much we can accomplish when we come together. We can do it again. So it's like, you know, for everybody, including the participants, I guess. I think we can, you know, respond to this one. We have another one. I think there might be this one.
You don't say Mr. Duke, did you get that question?
Yeah, if I can give the first answer, and then I'll let everybody else speak to it. But I think that you're absolutely right. I mean, everybody coming together to help Tigray has moved mountains. It's done some really wonderful things. To me, from my perspective, my outside perspective, is that if everybody can ask themselves, what are they doing for Tigray right now? Remember, we used to always ask ourselves that. What are we doing for Tigray today? What are we doing this week? And for Tigray, not for ourselves, for Tigray. Look at what is needed in Tigray, what people are going through in Tigray, and see what can be done for them. And if we can do that, if we could get half the people doing that as we're doing it 2 years ago, I think that we can do it. We can ease a lot of suffering. And we need to understand that the goal is to ease the suffering of one person, and then one more person, and one more person. We can't say that, oh, there's no radiology center yet in Shire, so this has been a bust. That can't be our goal. Our goal has to be helping people, everybody in Tigray survived a genocide. And so everybody in Tigray, we should be doing what we can to help make their lives easier and help them survive. Ask ourselves every day, what are we doing to accomplish that? That's just my opinion. I'll set it up for somebody else.
Thank you, Duke. I think Gurmai Tasfakiros, you can unmute yourself. Totally, Gurmai.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. And excuse me for not typing it as I did in the previous question. I couldn't write it because now I am on a environment with minus 14 below sea level degree centigrade, and then working and ice work with my friend boss here. So I couldn't type it for that reason. Excuse me for that, and thank you for making my question. My question is first to the commission. to the Tigray Genocide Commission. Am I audible still?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. For the commission first, my question is on how, I think I posted it. I'm not sure whether it's addressed or not. To what extent did you put the laws of armed conflict in use while studying this? Because I'm raising this question because I can see the ramifications of those principles and rules on addressing responsibility, whether state responsibility or their weight on the bargaining process on the Tigray regional states, while we have a legitimate government once in the near future, I believe, and the federal government. So considering this, the rules of armed conflict is, I think, fundamental. The other thing is the study about the overall damage or those faulty damage which happened with unlawfulness of the armed conflict, which is violation of rules of armed conflict. So if it is the violation of rules of armed conflict, the compensation and all that in the meantime will be higher, and it might even bring in state responsibility maybe one day in the future towards Eritrea, because that's a state actor, and it will be a solid bargaining ground for compensation with the federal government. The other question that I have is in relation to getting our facts right. I was in search of making my master's thesis on that incident. I didn't manage to find data. So I tried to communicate with Mr. Yamana. I didn't manage to get sufficient data. My target in mind, which is aborted, is to define it in terms of international law, criminal law, in terms of laws of international criminal law. When we speak, when one sane man person speaks into the international community, addressing the incidents within the terms and the meanings of genocide or whatever it is, should qualify those terminologies and concepts. I believe it's not well done, well articulated, because we know who are or a person who have an agencies of international criminal law understands who are protected within the Genocide Convention or customary international law, customary international law of criminal law, or under Rome statutes. So an intent to eliminate in whole or in part of a certain group. Which group? I mean, there must be some, I think, more studies on that, I believe, and facts, genocidal intent. On the other is why we don't, or why experts or people who are fighting in this front use terminologies which can hold the federal government accountable, which can create more alliances locally and internationally with our brothers in Ethiopian brothers, who are under atrocities of many kinds, armed conflict and non-armed conflict violations and atrocities. So defining the violations in terms of, for example, international criminal law, there will certainly be violations. There will certainly be found out violations of laws of armed conflict, violations of international criminal law. And
using Kate Fetter. Sorry to cut you off, Mr. Time Nahankayid. Sorry.
Okay, no worries. So that such a vision, such understanding of the violation would help our people, at least those people who are in charge of this thing currently now, I believe should consider this. Let me hold this the others for the convenience of the stage. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this amazing program presentation. Thank you for the presenters. I think what I want to say is, it has been 5 years. I think we understand the extent of like the damage and all the destruction and all the suffering and all the pain that, our people have been going through. We all have been going through. I feel like, we are like talking so much about the problem. And I know that, everyone is doing what they can in their own sphere of influence. But I feel like, during the genocide, we came together and we did so much, and we were like on that, fight or flight mode. We are on survival mode, and we were fighting we were fighting the fires without really spending any time in working things that were going to have a long-term effect, especially when the war was over. So what has continued to this day is that we are all working in different silos that are not communicating with each other. So our work is duplicated. We have created a very, comfortable medium for corruption. And, even though we are sending money and working with people in Tigray, we're also creating that opportunity, for corruption to happen, for stealing to occur. So all the money that we are sending isn't getting to the targeted people or for the targeted purpose. So what I want to ask is, tagging along with what I asked about, we know the world is not coming for us. And, even though it has been talked so much about it, we haven't seen any tangible, accountability or any kind of, we are not, seeing anything coming from the outside of Tigray, like in terms of, accountability, in terms of rebuilding Tigray, in terms of addressing like the sea, of needs that we have in Tigray. So, what I want to ask actually is all of us, yes, we are trying to do what we can in our, circles and our, little organizations that we have created. We have multitudes of NGOs that have been created both in Tigray and probably, elsewhere in the country in Ethiopia and also around the world, because everybody's giving up, no system is established that could bring us together and work together toward the outcome that we want to see, which is going to help every single person in Tigray that needs help, not a selected few or not, someone who comes on the media. Because if you look at what's happening, those people who make it to the media who need help, whether it is TDF who needs treatment or whoever is seen, get help. But those people that nobody sees, nobody could bring them to the media or, bring them attention, they don't get help. So, what can we do? We need to get out of this firefighting mode, and we need to start doing something that's going to really be, long lasting, a system where all of our resources can be channeled into one place. And, it would be easy even for accountability. For instance, when we have all these different organizations, we have millions of accounts even within one organization. So many, money is funneled into this one organization, but there is no clarity on the accountability and transparency of how the money is being used. Because if you have so many accounts and if you don't have a system already established to account, for every expense that's, being spent on, how are we going to do that when we have a million others, coming from all directions? So I just, I was in the military here in the US, and, the military is not anywhere, around the population of Tigray. Tigray, we are said to be 5 million, 6 million, 10 million. I don't know what the number is. The US, military is around, 2.5 million, including all the civilian workers. And so we have, some kind of blueprint of how things are done. So regardless of what part of the world you are, anywhere you go, you do things the same way because the standard is the same. So what I hope is, we have so many educated Tigrayans around the world, and we have partnership like Mr. Duke and others like him who are willing to help us. We need to establish a system where we can have something that is going to reach all of Tigray, not, few people. And thank you so much for giving me this chance. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Hannah. Thank you so much. You brought up a lot of amazing points, and I really appreciate it. Which some of them you mentioned, some of my frustration. Just thank you. I think Mr. Duke and even Hala from I think Dr. Tariq Wintaliu, you guys can also address this. Individual ዝግበር ነገራት አሉ ዓበይቲ ዝኾኑ ኦርጋናይዜሽናት አሉ you don't see them doing anything ግን just in terms of the healthcare system ዲና ንዛረብ ዘለና maybe Mr. Duke, I don't know if you can throw some
it's a great point that she made, and there's a frustration because I love seeing that people are doing things individually to help people who either they get on the air, or they get media recognition, or they know somebody who they have some relative or close friend in the diaspora that has enough money that they can send them some. I think that's wonderful that people are doing that, and I hope they continue. Consider though also places like, and it's not just HPN, but HPN, where we work with the people that come to our clinics and get seen by our doctors are the people that don't get on the media. They're people who don't have somebody in the diaspora to send them money, or else they would have had their medical situation cared for by now. It's important to have institutions in the United States and in other countries, I'm sure, but I'm more familiar with the United States. There are regulations of 501c3 nonprofits to where you can go in and you can look at the tax returns to see where that money is being spent. And most organizations, HPN will, but I'm sure most organizations will talk to you specifically about where your money's going and where a donation is going, because it is difficult. Everybody wants to, because for 2 years you could barely send money in, or if you did, it was somebody on a motorbike driving it across. You're losing half of it trying to get into Tigray, and then some of the financial systems open up, and now there's a way to get money in. So a lot of people are putting money in, but it's not just that they're I wish that there were so many duplicating efforts, but a lot of it is uncoordinated efforts. Because if you can get one clinic here and one clinic there and another clinic somewhere else, you can put together a network and you could serve so many more people. But if you have, one person going out this way, one person going, and they're not talking to one another, then you're losing a lot of capacity that can be used to serve people who don't have representation in the West, or who not made it to the front page of Out of Standard or any of the other wonderful journals that are covering this. So consider places like HPN for Tigray, or ISPA, or the TDRF, organizations that you can track where your money is going, and that that the services are not just going to people who have some leg up, who have some status that they could get, that they're going to people who are most vulnerable, because they also need help. But if somebody else wants to take that, I'll let.
Thank you, Duke. Thank you so much. حلفهم وكا دكتور تعلقهم تينا أنا زلعلته من الوقت أبو حساب كتبوا تخيلكم
ማለት هنا زلعلته حساب تفكرني بصير بإنديفيدوال مثل إنديفيدوالز جبر نجار لأن سيستم كنا زلوا ያው ሲስተም ናጠናኸርና ያና ወንታ ዓዲ ክንቀይራ ንኽእል እምበር ኣብ ኢንዲቪጁዋል ተንጠልጠለ ነገር ያው ዳውቲ ሰብ ወይ ተለቀቁ ወይ ሓደ ነገር ተኾይንስ ያው ሲስተም ስቶፕ ይኾን ዶ ማለት እዩ ግን احنا ሶፋር ለገጥመና ቻሌንጅ ታዩ ሓደ ከምቲ አንተ ወይተልዕሎ ነርኻት ናይ መንግስት ኮሚትመንት ናይ ፖለቲካ ፍራጃይሊቲ ብጣዕሚ እንቅፋት ይፈጥረልካ ዴታ ኮሌክት ትገብር ሪዛልት ትለቀቕ ብጣዕሚ ችግር ይኻና ሶ ኮሚትድ ኮይኑ ከምዚ ዓይነት ማለት ፓሽን ዘለዎ ሰብ ነዚ ስራሕ እዚ እስካብ መወዳእታ ከብፅሕ ዝደሊ ማለት ከምዚ ከማኹም ንኣብነት ሕዚ ንሕና ልምዓንቲና ከምዚ ዓይነት ቻንስ ንረክብ ኣለና ፎር ዛት ማተር ቅድሚ ሕዚ ናይ መንግስቲ ኣካላት ገሊእና ፕረዘንት ንገብር ነርና ግን ያው ድኻም ኢና ከምዚ ዓይነት ኢንዲፐንደንት ዝኾነ ኦርጋናይዜሽን ረኸብካ እቲ ሪዛልትካ ትለፋዕካሉ ነገር ኣብ መዓላ ክውዕል ሰባት ክፈልጥዎ ምግባር እዚ ባዕሉ ንዓና ኣይ ቲንክ ጉድ ኦፖርቹኒቲ ኣነ ብጣዕሚ ደስ ኢሉና ብኡ ንማል ኣክሊ ግን ኣብዚ ኣብ መንጎ ክሰርሕ ዘለካ ደሞ ብዙሓት ቻለንጃት ከም ዘለዉ ብፍላይ ኣብዚ ዓይነት ሪሰርች ክሰርሕ ዘለካ ብዙሕ ሰብ እውን የለን ኣብ ትግራይ ኦልሞስት ንኣብነት ናይ ጥዕና ኣነ በይነ እየ ናይ ትምህርቲ እውን 2-3 ሰባት እዮም ከምዚ ዓይነት ኮን ተሎ ኣሸጋሪ ኢና ንኡ ንማል ኣክሊ እምበር ሲስተም ክጠናኸር ከም ዘለዎ ምንም ከየብልን ማለት እዩ
Thank you, Halafum. I don't think Dr. Raya is coming back.
Go ahead. So I just wanted to reflect on what Hannah said, because that was, I think, a powerful reflection and also frustration that most of us here in the diaspora feel. It is true that our movement has slowed down, watered down, and like Duke correctly indicated, it is disorganized. And you're right, there's also some duplication of the same type of advocacy work and not producing any results. There is burnout, there's all sorts of issues. But in the report itself, it does indicate that, I read a line that said, those of us who have the will do not have the resources to make the change. And those who have the resources and the control do not have the will to rebuild Tigray or to make the change. And so that's a very key statement. The other thing you mentioned is we here in the diaspora, we are the sphere of influence. We can influence to the most that we can on things that happen within Tigray and also globally around in the form of advocacy of favorable policies towards Tigray. So we are in the circle of influence, but the real circle of control, the sphere of control is within Tigray by those with the money and the authority and the guns and the arms actually make things happen. So you asked the question, what can we do? Well, the only thing that we can do, influence, right? We organized during the genocides, we influenced global powers to make Pretoria happen, to deny funding the government of Ethiopia, to do an embargo on them. We could do the same thing, use our collective effort to influence the government of Tigray and those with a sphere of control of resources and human power to make change on the ground. But like you correctly pointed, it does require collective effort and coordinated effort. We have to be able to read each other, have some sort of a central, I don't know, a global advocacy body or a global charitable body. In the past, TDA used to be that charitable body that money towards Tigray was funneled from the diaspora. And through that, we were able to help in the past, post-Derg era, rebuild Tigray. Right now, TDA has a trust deficit. So we need something new that can be used to funnel the diaspora funds. And they then can have a prioritized list of projects that they could use the money on, and Tigray could be collectively helped up from a civilian diaspora force. In addition to what my friend said, in addition, the systemic governance support that really needs to happen. So for the government and the international body to help Tigray, we have to influence that, like USAID, the Red Cross, the likes, the UN, they have immense amount of money. But pressure needs to be applied on them to help rebuild Tigray. On the authorities in Tigray who are playing around with our money and funneling it out, billions of dollars worth of gold, they need to be pressured to use our resources to rebuild our infrastructure, our people. So that is the work cut out for us, influence, right? And we need to be better organized to do that effectively, which is what's lacking right now. So thank you. And thank you, everybody, for the work you've done. This is an amazing report, like I said earlier. I hope to see more of it, and I hope to have these documents and evidence saved somewhere safe, because whether we like it or not, the war is not over yet. There's potentially another outbreak and potentially another loss of evidence and property. So let's keep it safe and keep yourself safe too. You are, storage of knowledge for all of us. Thank you.
أنا بدعمي am so thankful بفلاي بهذا team بدعمي باس لخونا سرحتي سرحة هم زعنا comprehensive لخونا report موسى بفلاي resource اللي بلا عبدي من معنى convenience اللي يخونا transportation إذا كله consider اللي تجارس بالإشتي حيلتها هم زعنا report موسى بدعمي challenging بي فهو شيء في خناس even to للو political influence ناس محورة رديت زفول impact تجارتها لا ناس interview تقبل حتى ناس سافر خلي مسافة مدود خلي مسافة أشدور نيفها زفول اللي لحظة مالت to لهذاك للو data to outcome سلا ليري محورة مالتي so أنا بدعمي appreciate اللي دورهم as a team صفوا صراحتي قليل نقدر يفني أو ذفن هم ريونا يفني so I'll focus on the برمو اللي سمحواتنا more حيل سوقرنا لحاشة الدافع عندنا تصرفوا أنتنا ولتنا عالم لها political community influence نقدر اللي نتراجع نساعد بس مو كسوا نتراجع نساعد لكب حال بزوج new evidence حفظنا أنا كان خدنا تعلمه هم قليل نقدر ينحسبوا yes we talk about our problems بزح جزء but also that helps us to land our solutions or base our solutions مالتي so إلنا بلاي بنو على الداتا هم سجلوا and then you don't have any evidence that is a problem مالتي so إذن ناقت لنا وإذا هم عندكم مرش نقبر لنا to help بدورنا نقطع أيو to للو damage ندينا impact هم للو كنرئي دورنا مالتي miss full evidence so لو إنا زي نوفمبر month كل عنت تناي genocidal war impact كنقر ويكنا جرافان نقبر لنا مو لو عند سانتا دورت من حدا شا كافتو أنتن ونوس ألو على حتوتات نحسسنا I think اللي هم وعين الحتوتات I think عنده لقرم شلال على نيرو مثلا to ناي commission لمن تعيب عند زفون قال بزح حتى نقرأ في impact دورومو زعوا لقن يو تمرتو commission للو hierarchies عم زفا discuss مدوار التعليمي as specific issues للقنا بسوم research حتى يبغى يكمل سوي اليوم level تأشمين لنا ያው ተጸገምና ነው ጎዓለና ተይፎተና እዩ ኣብቲ ሶሉሽን እውን ቤት ከይንገብር ሃዝለለና ይስጡት ነው ምንታት ያው ደረማ እዩ ያው ኩልኩም ኣብዚ ትመጽለኹም ምዃትና ያው ክትፈልጥዎ ኩሉና ርዴት ክትኮና እዩ ተስመን ሓስብና thank you so last week will be on justice and accountability and prevention ሓሊ genocide happen ከይገበር prevention ታይ ተፈና ወደልከነው ገና next week ስለዚህ you all are invited ማለት እዩ ለቱናይ መጨረሻ ዊክና እዚ ማለት ኣብዚ ፀጦብና ሰሚዕና ከይድና ማለት ግን ኣይኮነይ we have to collaborate هم ሀኒቾ ለብሰቶ ሐሳብ collaborate ጌርና በብሞያና ሓጋጊትና ትግራይ ፍትሕ ክረስም ትግራይ ተመልሳሪ ቢውልድ ክትገብር ክንሰርሕ ኢና ማለት so to in the goals በኋላ ማለት so and then thank you Duke also like I think he's learning to speak Tigrinya. He's on his way. So next time he will be presenting in Tigrinya. But I'm really, really grateful for his strength, for his consistency, on this. And it's not only Duke. There are other people like, who does this as well. So we have to appreciate, we have to encourage them to collaborate and work with us. So I really appreciate everybody who showing up here, who coordinates this event. It's not easy to bring everybody, so I really appreciate you guys. I'm sorry if the music is disturbing you, but I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you.
Thank you, Abiwa. By the way, Abi is Abnet is the backbone of this organization. She's been working for the past 2 months to make this events happen with other follow-up, Bashiba, some of our leadership in an organization, but particularly Abnet. She's been working day and night. Even right now, she's sitting in the airport, all of us in this event. And thank you so much, Abiwa. We love you. Thank you for your effort. I mean, I don't know. I don't have no word to describe you. In the same time, Beshiba too, Bersabe. And thank you so much, all of you guys. I don't know if anybody wanted to have, a few remark. Please do so. If not, we are about to conclude to finish our program for today. But I just want to give a chance to Senasabat Edil Kinhebumo. The same time, Abu Simret Tagarun Harnetin Netsanetin. ብዙሕ ግዜ ስምረት ዘይንብሮ ምክንያቱም ካልእ ስምረት ዝበሃል ውድብ ስለ ዘሎ ብዙሕ ግዜ ሰብ ስለ ዝዋቅዕ ይስሶ ስምረት ተጋሩ ንሓድነትን ነፃነትን ኣክቲቭሊ ክትሳተፉ ትደልዩ ኮንትሪቢዩት ክንገብር ደሊና ኣብዚ ሙቭመንት እዚ ፓርቲ ውድብ ኣይኮነን ኢትስ አ ሙቭመንት ሞስትሊ ናሽናሊስት ብሄርተኛ ተጋሩ ዘለዎ ብዙሓት ሃይ ካሊበር ዝኾኑ أحواتنا زلوا ويو. It's been 4 years since this organization has been established. So أبو آتيكم زلكم عامي نتقرأي contribute كنقبلنا to أحواتنا please DM جورنا أفتي ناي عبالات or individuals كترشحفلنا تخليكم أبزي تشرس أنا.
مجمرة بتعمل مسكين خمسة عينة عدل بمركبي. ሓደ ነገር ግን ንምግላፅ ዝኣክል ሲኣይቲጂ ክጣሽ ከሎ ቮለንተርሊ ኢና ተጣይሽና ካብ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ካብ ቢሮታት ዊዛት ኤኒ ፔመንት ምንም ዓይነት ክስታይ ዘይብሉ ኣብኡ እዋን ውግእ እዋን ክባን ዕፅዋን ብናይ ባዕልና ሞባይል ብናይ ባዕልና ላፕቶፕ ብናይ ባዕልና ወረቐት ብናይ ባዕልና ኤቭሪቲንግ ገንዘብ ከይተረፈና ፊልድ እውን ክንወፅእ ከለና ብናይ ባዕልና ገንዘብ በቲ ግዜ እቲ ባንክ እውን ክነውፅእ ኣይፍቀደልና ናይ ባዕልና ገንዘብ እውን ዕፅው እዩ ነይሩ ስለዚ ዳርጋ ምስቶም ተጋደልቲ እንዳሓደርና ኢና ወይ ኣብተን ዝዓነዋ ዩኒቨርሲቲታት ኣብያተ ትምህርቲ እንዳሓደርና ኢና ድሓረይ መንግስቲ ኢንትሪም ገቨርንመንት ብኣዋጅ ተጣይሹና ክጣይሽ ከሎ ልክዕ ከምቲ ካልኦት ኮሚሽናት ተጣየሹ ናይ ሪሃቢሊቴሽን ክስታይን ማዕረ ክንከይድ ተፈቲኑ ስለዚ መበገሲ የልዮ ኩሉ ግዜ መበገሲ ከዓ ኣብ ጥቃ ዘሎ እቲ ግዜያዊ መንግስቲ እዩ እና በዚ ዓይነት መልክዑ ሕዚ ናብቲ ዝሓሸ ናብ 6 ናብ 7 ቮሊዩም በፂሕና ኣለና ግን ኣይተተንከፈን ሕዚ እውን ናይ ኩሉ ፃዕሪ የልዮ ስለዚ ኣብ ደገ ዘለና ኣብ ውሽጡ ዘለና ተሓባቢርና ናይ ትግራይ ስቃይ ናይ ትግራይ ዕንወት نرى له خناتات سلا قالسنا war against humanity war crime against humanity بعلم لخطر رجاجس حجها genocide زبل نحن رجاجس كلنا أبزي الجامنا هنوت نجبا زبل إمنت هلاني thank you
داني كاسيس كويك أشي معركة كبرتي هذا اللي مچس first and foremost, I want to appreciate Mr. Doc for coming here and helping us. We are victims of this catastrophic genocide. We are in need of justice yet, as the presenters clearly tell us. So I really appreciate for supporting the people of Tigray. I also pray to God for you since you are supporting us. Those who work for justice serves God, not only the people. Thank you for that. يعني اللي كبرتي هابلين كلهم مغربتي تعي خبل عنده دكتور طارق أني سوية خسارة وأنا نتحسي نيرة قال لي نايت مصنعتي جوجل عبالات ممزحتي دارجة افتكبان عصوان تقرأي 360 دقيقة تعزيها النورة له بإجرام الناخدو يوم 5 صرح وفلت أنا بإجرام الناتج وعزو النات أمايو مخنيات قداي فتح سلزغانة تي سيجون بتوصنا ملكع متخفيتو قداي فتحي زون ملسي زي رخبة قداي مكاو كونه إذا تكالزي أبي نالباتون فتناتاتو بزحاتيو كاوشتي كابدك كاب ريسورس جميركا بزحات سلازغونو أفتي تكال بقى تايرون زواري برقص من أي منقص بجس بساقص تكال مخانو فلت إيجن أفتي تكال زلاء بزخون استراتيجية بزخون منقد منتزفلت فتحي بزح سلازدكن أفتتحي تصورحو تنطفو في اللاية وسمرة زرلهم أكالات أو كروا وصيتو زرع يكون النوح جزء وسديو زدكنيو قال جزيهم جنزوكم وفيهم نادخمكم زقاتمكم فتنا سون حدا عوي يسكريز قبرنا قريب خون نخلو جن قداي فتح جزية ونزوسد سلازبانا أو قمتاتنا بينكم ون كي تدخمنا كالوتون هوزي كحجزو زخولو أكلات نكلو اتخالمت أن مبزحنا بالكم سفحنا بالكم تاي حنت نجار هوزي مزي تتحيزكم صخ حدا نجار تجراي بزح تخرج زي توهاو قال جزيون كم بوليتيكا زرنا يردان إيو وتجراينا يخلو منتنا هيمانوتنا عندي ياجن vast majority ዝበሃል ገሊኡ እናተረኣየ እውን አይደንቲፋይ እናተገበረ እውን ብሃይማኖቱ ብመንነቱ ዝተጨፍጨፈ ዝተቐተለ ከም ምዃኑ መጠን ኣብኡታት እዚ ቤተክርስትያናት ከባቢ ኣብ መስጊድ ብሃይማኖት መሰረት ዝገበረ ጥቕዓት እውን እቲ መንነት እቲ ሃይማኖት እውን ዝሓወሰ ስለ ዝነበረ أو قال سبعة دا صناعات جوارو كله سلسلة خلف كلا تايمانو تجرا سمون invite تزجبرو أو comprehensive بزخنا من قدي من تان communicate نمجبارن document نمجبارن هم تعان توزول كو جزيون زوسد سلسلة أبنا تناول دو ترايون تيكون تقص ولا دون زسرح سلسلة كم تفلت وانا يفتح بداي روع 100 عامت 7 عامت زجبرو كيزات شاوزي زرأيو أبيات فردي اللومو أوتات توبنا تجراي زعانوا أبيات كريستيانات اللو تنا تجراي بيت كريستيان كم سريتو زرلو تكال حد جزيه خم بوليتيكا يحسب حد جزيون بقى 5 تود عمام تغيرو ورو اندر مايند استجبري مثلا تكالي عالمون خم استردنا اي مثلا تكوزنا تبدلنا تقفعنا أو إنفايت تجارب لك تي جينوسايد كوميشن كوابي زقارب زلوا صناعة فم زلوا هينو قالوا أتول نوزي تز وسخو مالتيو نزجوركم ما كله عرّي مسجن نحنا ناي هيمانوت راح تنبهال نحنا قدميت نسلفلو نسرحلو كبأنا زنبر الصوم تسرحوا لهم عندما يهاوكم تجراي داقم خمزي زسكحك حدا قال خيجات ما دما ناي كلنا عدليتيو بقبلنا ون تيزلو هواهو دز بالسلا زي كوانا زفرح وسنبت سلا زخوانا وإن سلام نقورو أدفوكيسي صعري وإن تقورو وزرلهم في الله بصبرت زرلهم حواتنا نحاتنا برتعو أملاخ مساهم يخون صرحوا ونقر كله زر السعي كنا الزبرة تعي وقلنهم هنا بنخلو نحجزكم دلوقتينا غنير لي
كبرت عابرنا
Yeah. Thank you so much. ያው ተባሂሉ እዩ ክበሃል ዝግባእ ኣብቲ ዝሓለፈ መልእኽቲ ኩሉ ምንም ክውስኾ ዝኽእል ነገር ስለዘየለ ምናልባት ግን ምዚ ተተሓሒዙ ኣካል እቲ ያው ትፀገም እቲ ስቃይ ኣብ ትግራይ ዘሎ ኩነታት ኩሉ ግልፂ ብቁፅሪ ርኢና ኣለና ፋክቹዋል ብዝኾነ መልክዑ ማለት እዩ እዚ ንሱ ዝወለዶም ወይ ከዓ ቅድሚኡ እውን ዝተመስረቱ ትካላት ብተጋሩ ዝምርሑ ትካላት ምህላዎም ከይዘጋዕና ነዞም ትካላት ኣብዚ ደለናዮ ምክንያታዊ ዝኾነ ናይ ጎስጓስ ፃዕርታት ስለ ዝካየድ ዘለዉ ብፍላይ ምስ ጊቪንግ ቱስደይ ተሰሓሒዙ ኣብኦም ኣብዚ ዘለና 20 ገለን ንኸውን ኣሕዋት እውን ኣይወሓድናን ንኻልኦት ኣብ ሰርክልና ዝርከቡ ተጋሩ ወይ ኣሕዋት ኣብዚ ጉዳይ እዚ ብቑዕ ክነጥፉ ምክንያቱ ከይዱ እንታይ ናበይ ዝኸይድ ከም ተጋሩ ትፀገምና ፈሊጥና ብዝኸኣልናዮ መጠን እቶም ፀገማት ንምቕራፍ ንምቅላል ፎከስ ጌርና ክንሰርሕ እውን ይላበና ኣጋጣሚ ኮይኑ TDRF ሕዚ ኣብ ሰሙን እዚ ዲሰምበር 2 ዝጅመር ካምፔይኑ ንህፃናት ትግራይ ብፍላይ ኣብ ቤት ትምህርቲ ኣብ ትምህርቲ ኣተኪሩ ናይ ሓገዝ ምትእኻብ ወፍሪ ጀሚሩ ስለ ዘሎ ኣብ tdrfund.org ወይ ድማ @tdrfund ኣብ ኩሎም ሶሻል ሚድያ ፕላትፎርምስ ረኸቡና እሞ ምሳና ሓቢርኩም ተስፋ ክንኾኖም ተጋሩ ህፃናት ተጋሩ ሓቢርና ንስራሕ እየ ክብል ደልየ ይቐኒለይ
Thank you, Sewa.
Can I speak?
Yes, please. Yes, Dr.
كزارب بتقرني زارب مجمرة ندوك تقرني أقسم سلزلو بزهزوان نمسجنو إنجليزية تسربي سلزهون thank you دوك كن خالقكم نزقلو سعركم زجبركم ومصنعتي كتقرب لنا خلكم بالعلم مسجنا زقبلو أنا نقبلو إحنا خاسمرة تجارو ناسنا حرنة إنا أنا ون أبال سمارحنتي كله مصنعتي صبغيو كله مذكر صبغيو كن تاي تمنيت لني نحوارو من الباش حيلنا أكيبنا فلاي أب تجراين دحر نزغز الجزء كينات زي تستن أقد تخوينا تاي مبالكو نيرة زيادة أب تجراي كيرنا نذكر اللبوتا ومونومنتال ويكاني wall of complaint زبلوه بناب إسرائيلوان زقبرو والله كيدوم زخول زبس حنا مكران شجرن كم حزنا ونقلس قالو كم نتم صرفو ونمسكنالو نتستجبر قالسو ونمسكنالو كنت أنا زقبر كيد السعون كيد الجمون نبلو اللبوتا فتيرنا مالت منيت أزارب زلو حزي من الباشوا كابي مسيوز تأت زلاخ تبلو تخوليوهم قد I think it is important أب ميديا وسينا خمزي كونفرنس ناقبرنا نبخيلو نحزنلو ترح زي خونس أبتي تفصمر لبوتا أبتي تجبر اللبوتا خيرنا kind of نايبع اللبوتا أب حد بوتا خوني خيل أم عرب تجراي خوني خيل أم مسرات تجراي خوني خيل أم أخلاي تجراي خوني خيل سخونة مونومنتال سريحنا قل wall of complaint ويكا مبكين موكسن كير السعن كير الجمن نبلو اللبوتا فاتيرنا حيلنا تأخيبنا نقبلو اللبوتا يمنس ويلي حسب أني حيات مالت زنجر زي زود يكونن ولا 5 عامات 6 عامات 7 عامات كود لنا يخلي 5 حزيك أشيز بلوز نبرو إنه مجمرة بالمسجان كن زغز الجزء كن بفلاي كينات عند حزيك قات يمنا زنجر زي أون كنقبلو اللويكا أكون كنقبلو لنخل بوتا مريزنا نيشتي سركل نيشتي مندق مجمعان بلامو دحنا كفحنايا نانرقنايا نخيد برهان نريلا زي نرسعلو زي كيد جمون مسبحنا أطول بوتا خنفترة لنا اللي حاسب تسفان مقبار مالت كل جزينا بخنا خنا بس لا زي نخل كنت kind of كمزي ناي توريزم بوتا مسحبون كن قبلو نخلنا نتم تقود بتسبنا ون محجزون كنقبرلو عبي تقولو زلو كنت كنفتر نخلنا زبل حسابي مسألة ربحان قولينا مسخاتكم كوينة زخلو سمع خلهو حزننا ذا سمعني قن بحادة مدايكا أنا حبو تخن قبر نخل زبل حنقولي ويكا لبيز نقرا نزلو نقاري مسخاتكم كافلوكم دالي أني اللي thank you
دكتور عالم تعمي لبزنك تعميا اسكي عملاخ فقيدوهم من قبرلو عدل انجزين نفترلنا زوناي افتناي كينات كبرو سلازي وصانا زنينا يقبرلنا نبلمو
Sure, Johnny. Thank you so much. أنا أبال سمرات وني نايجيم تقراي ون أتون برن 5 رات حنت سوني زي جروب زي زخرزون بخلهنا أيو تداريو. So I want to point that out, but then نخد لكم أقربتي تعمل thank you قبل لي because yeah قد كم زي خواني يردان you hearing all this atrocities, documenting all this atrocities قد لي خواني it's traumatizing حالة فاكزيم كم زوالكونا قل تعمل عبي سرحكم سرح زلكم documents مقوار نمن جاب مرثا سرح زلزخونا I appreciate you قبل لي thank you نخد لكم.
Duke, again, once again, thank you so much for everything that you
Thank
do.
you.
Continue to stand with us and continue to fight the great fight. And believe me, when everything is done and, you know, when we're all ready to go back to the promised land, we definitely will have people like you, will have streets and
Thank you.
schools. Honestly, I always you know,
We'll have a party there. It'll be great.
yeah, I mean, thank you. Honestly, he will conclude maybe we probably will squeeze him some of the programs. Next week, Alena, Tahilkum, Abzmazalo next Kadamunai, Tinai Hamshai program Nalo, Uktasafu, Bishum, Sambra Tigray, and Hardnet and Nasanet and Adamakub. Nailo Manti program na Abzi Zazim Nalena. We just concluded here. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Tigray for Nat Alam Jalkum Mahwatna. Thank you.
TPM أفدق زمناوي تقرأ